This is Jim with Sketching with Jim, and I'm glad you could join me again for this fun little drawing. It's a kind of a fun little subject. So right into the process thoughts. I measured one wheel. Going by the picture, saw that 2-3 wheels would make the distance correct. But unfortunately, I still didn't get that back wheel the same size as the front. I should maybe have done a little bit more measurement, but I was going with the flow of the drawing, and sometimes that's just the best way to do it, just to keep going and go with the feeling of the drawing and kind of measuring in your mind, seeing the relationships between the parts of the drawing and where like the back bumper came in relation to the underside of the body there. It's a little higher, and noticing things like this as you go along really helps get the drawing kind of close to the original shape. But being a sketch, it doesn't really matter. As I go along, I add a few more lines here and there to that back. In the end, it comes out okay. So obviously this is an Italian car, and I'm thinking of an older Fiat of some kind, but let me know if you know the exact model. And with the addition of the luggage on the top, it lends itself to one of those stories that you can put to these drawings. Where was it going? How far they were going? Were they just on vacation, traveling around Europe? It's kind of fun to make up a story to go with these drawings. And anyway, hopefully you will give this one a try, because it's nice to do a little fun drawing once in a while. Cars are always harder for me. If you take it just as shapes like any other drawing, see how they meld together and how they relate to each other, it all works out. So enjoy the video and enjoy the sketching if you try this one as well. And thanks for watching. Please share this with other people that may like this kind of thing. If you like my drawings, and I've got a few of them now on the channel, please subscribe and always let me know your thoughts and ideas. So take care and enjoy the video.